So I'm back with another video. This time we're gonna apply lashes. So I'm gonna use two different types of lashes. My favorite, which is the Clear Band strip lash, and the second one, which is a thick band strip lash. I'm gonna tell you the difference between the two and what I like most in my opinion, and what works best for me and what would work best for a beginner when they're trying to apply lashes. Now I know so many people are struggling trying to put lashes on. I get this question all the time. How do I put on my lashes? How do I put on my lashes? I'm blinding myself. I'm getting the glue in my eye. I'm this, I'm that. They're not sticking on. Blah, blah, blah. Ray-tay-tay. They're sticking up at the corner. They're sticking up at the end. Okay, well, I'm here to help you right now. So, getting into it, the first set of lashes that I'm going to show you are these. I got them online. There's no name to them. But these are the thick band strip lashes. Personally, these are not my favorite. They're very thick, as you can see, at the edges, but these can hold more hairs. So if you want thicker lashes, fuller lashes, these are the ones that you usually go with. But to me, as for a beginner, they're harder to apply. And another thing is, when you do apply these lashes, it kind of looks like you have on eyeliner because the band is thick, which could be a good thing, especially if you're not drawing your eyeliner all the way, or even if you're not doing a wing liner and you just want your lash line to look like you have on eyeliner, but you really don't. This thick band makes it look like you do. You can't see it because I have on liner. So I'm going to apply these lashes, and then I'm going to take them off, and I'm going to show you clear band lash strips that I personally prefer. So there's many lash glues out there. I find a lot of them dry like cement, and they ruin the lashes and they make them harder to reuse. So personally, on my eyes, I don't use the traditional lash glue. I don't use the white one that turns clear. Sometimes it doesn't turn clear. I use hair glue bond. So I think you have to go with what works best for you, and this personally works best for me. Now when I apply it onto my lash line, I do not use a thick strip. I make sure I put it as thin as possible. Well, not extremely thin, but thin enough so that when it gets tacky, I could just stick it on. So I don't apply it when it's super wet. I'm not dry, but let it get tacky so that I can put it on, and it's kind of like rubber. It's not like glued onto my eyelids, but it's kind of rubbery. So when I do take them off, they peel off easily. I don't get them on my lashes, and I don't do them too high up. I do it as close to my lash line as possible, but not touching my lashes, and they peel off like nothing. And then when I take the glue off of the strip, so that I could reuse it another time, that peels off amazing too. And I could reuse my lashes. Sometimes I reuse them for weeks, and they last me until I accidentally rip them, especially if I love them. But I use this glue and it works great for me. It hasn't damaged my eyes, it doesn't itch my eyes, it doesn't burn my eyes, because I do not put it on my eyes when it is wet. Some people, it might irritate them. Even the eyelash glues might irritate people. You just have to go with what works best for you. So I'm going to show you how thin of a strip I apply onto my lashes. So you can use a toothpick, you can use anything that's kind of pointy just to get it on the strip. So now with these thick band lashes, sometimes they're so stiff you can't curve them to the shape of your eye. So you can always put them around your finger just to bend them so they can keep that shape. So this is how thin of a strip of glue I put. You can see. Nothing thick. I don't want to see any glue on your eyelids. I just want to see the glue on your strip lash. There's no need to put 2 pounds of glue on your strip. No need for that. So there's two methods. You could apply it with your fingers, which I personally find to be more easier, or you could apply it with a tweezer. So I'm going to apply it with a tweezer just to show you guys. And then on the other eye, I'll apply it with my finger, and you just use what you feel works best for you. So you kind of get it in the middle. You're gonna I like to put the inner corner on first, let it hold a bit, and then position it, and then get to the end and put it down like that. And then I like to kind of push it up a bit because I don't want them to be straight. I want to see the design of the eyelash, but if it's too straight, you're not going to really see it. So these are a bit wispy, I would say, a bit. And there you go. You do have to have a steady hand, so it will take some practice, but I mean, you'll eventually get it. Just please do not use a lot of glue, and let the glue dry at least for like 10-15 seconds before you put it on, so it can be tacky and it can peel right off when you're done. And that's how I put it on with my tweezer. The other eye, I'm going to apply it with just using my fingers, which I find to be easier, but whatever you're more comfortable with is what you can use. So once again, for the other side, you're going to apply a thin strip of glue. And I usually like to just start with laying it down in my inner corner. Let it sit for a couple seconds, and then slowly put it down to the middle, and then lay it down at the end. So another thing, if the strip is too long, you can always cut it a little bit at the front, a little bit at the end. It just depends on the design of the lashes. And then I push it up a little bit just so you can see the style of the lashes. I don't want them to look straight, and I don't want them to be up touching my eyelid, but I want you to see the design, and that's what makes them look really pretty. So whichever method is easier for you to apply with your fingers or to apply with a tweezer, it's completely up to you. Another thing is that I usually add mascara, if I could find it, before I put my lashes on, or you can add it after. Sometimes when you put on your makeup, your foundation, your powder, the dust or the eyeshadow dust settles on your lashes. So when you do put on your strip lashes, you're gonna see your lashes be all dusty. So you can always blend it in with your mascara. Do your mascara before you put on your lashes, or you can put your lashes on and blend in your lashes with the mascara into your false lashes. I personally don't do that because I don't like the buildup on my lashes, because I like to reuse them. So I put it on before. And my favorite mascara is this voluminous carbon black mascara in the color Carbon Black. It's by L'Oreal. You can find this at your local drugstore. I don't know, and I'm not swearing for this brand, but I swear to you, I feel like this makes my lashes grow. So I've been using it for years, 10+ years. So you can always apply it underneath to blend your lashes into it. But like I said, I like to do it before I apply my lashes because I don't want to get the mascara on my lashes and then have it cause buildup on these lashes, because I do like to reuse my lashes. They could get very pricey, and you don't want to buy a $30 pair of lashes and have to throw it out after the first use. That really sucks. The second type of lashes I'm going to use are these clear band strip lashes. As you can see, they do not have the dark band around them, and I love these because they're super flexible. You can bend them to the shape of your eye. They're not straight, they don't poke you. They're just amazing. So please, especially if your lashes are expensive, try to take them off with a tweezer, or try to take them off gently in a way that you're not going to tear them, because these tear very easily and you don't want to tear them. So I'm going to remove these strip lashes, and like I said, with that glue, once I make it dry a bit and it's kind of rubbery, it peels off like nothing. So, and it doesn't pull my lashes out. Voila, they're gone. Some eyelash glues, I feel like they peel like cement. They pull my lashes out and they ruin my strips. And then you could just take a tweezer and peel the glue off. As you can see, it's like rubber. and reuse it. But I'm not gonna do this all on camera because I don't want to make this video super long, but you kind of get what I'm saying. They peel off and the glue peels right off of them quickly, and they actually do hold. Don't be afraid that they'll be falling off throughout the day, the night, whatever it is. So I'm going to apply my clear band strip lashes now. This is what they look like. They don't have that dark band. They're very flexible. And I just love these. As you can see, I've applied a thin strip of glue. Gonna use the tweezer method once again. I'm gonna start with my inner corner. You put them exactly where you want them, and then they'll fall all the way through the middle to the end where you need them to be. And these ones, they curl perfectly. I don't really have to push them up too much, but I can. And this one is the clear band. Put a thin coat of glue, let it dry for a bit. You could even blow it. And then I'm gonna start off with my inner corner. I hope you guys are seeing this well. Let it stick for a little bit and then lay it down. Now, I've been putting on lashes for years now. For me, I do the strip lashes because I don't like to sleep with the lashes on. I really like the individual lashes, but the way I sleep, they start to bend in my sleep. And it's easy for me to put on. I've perfected it. But if you're just a beginner, it might be a bit hard, but once you practice and practice, you'll get it, and it's gonna be like nothing. You can put them on in 2 seconds. You won't have to be in the mirror for 10-15 minutes trying to get one eye on. You can put on 2 eyes in less than a minute, and it's very easy. There you go. And same thing, I could peel these off. They won't hurt, they won't pull out my lashes, as long as you don't get it on your lashes and the glue comes right off of the strips. Put them back in the case, reuse them for the next day or the next time that you're gonna put on the lashes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you to put on your lashes more easier, and I hope you guys perfect it. You know, it's not that complicated. Everything takes practice. Lashes are so beautiful. They honestly really bring out your eyes. When I don't have them on, I look like I'm sleeping, and when I have them on, I look like a superstar. So I love me some lashes. I'm going to put as much as I can in the description bar below. If I forgot anything or if I didn't do anything in the video that you guys have questions about, feel free to ask me in the comment section at the bottom. I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.